welcome back again to my channel and to another video on the Appalachian home. So today I'm outside working on a frame, and I thought you guys might find this interesting. It's for a really simple mirror frame. So this only actually costed me around $7, and I used 1x4s that are 8 foot long, and I got 2 of those at our local lumber store, and they were only around $3.50 a piece. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make this really simple mirror. I did use a table saw, a brad nailer, what else did I use? And I used a miter saw to cut the miters on my corners. But this is one of my favorite projects. I love doing simple, easy woodworking projects. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so I'm going to start with these 1x4s, and these are 3.5 inches wide and 3/4 inches thick. And I'm using 2 8-foot long boards to do this project. So first I'm going to cut a 45 on one angle, measure, and then I'm going to cut the 45 on all angles. So I have 4 pieces, one for the top, bottom, and 2 sides. The top and bottom pieces are 36 inches long, and the side pieces are 28 inches long. And I already had a mirror. This was a project for my sister-in-law. I'll leave a link in the description box. You can download some free plans, and you can actually build any size that you want to fit any mirror. So now I'm going to use my table saw to cut out a notch that my mirror can lay flat in, and I'm adjusting the blade to 1 inch high, and I'm going to set my guide bar to about 1/8 of an inch away from the outside edge of the blade. That way I'll cut out a notch that is 1 inch wide and 1/8 inch deep. So now I have all the pieces finished and grooved, and now I'm just going to go ahead and take my sander and sand all the edges and all the pieces so that everything is smooth and fits perfectly together. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach all the front pieces of the frame together, and you just want to make sure that your grooves are lined up and your corners fit really tightly. And I'm putting some tight bond wood glue on the corners, and then I'm just using the 18 gauge brad nailer and some 1 1/4 inch nails to attach the corners together. Okay, so now I have my frame all put together and ready to put in my mirror. So I've went ahead and cut these boards. These are 29 inches and these are 28 inches, and I'm just going to put in my mirror, and then I'm going to secure these on the back to hold in the mirror. Before I attach all the mirror pieces together, I'm going to go ahead and stain this. I'm actually using just some white paint and applying a really thin coat of white paint to give it a whitewash look. And this just looks like white stain. If you do this method, it's a lot cheaper than buying stain, and I already had some white paint, so I'm just going to layer this over all of my wood before I attach my frame together. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe and click that bell to get all notifications. Thank you guys so much who are subscribed for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.